Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So hashtag third day for mango challenge recipe. So for that I'm making a mango dal. For that I have took around 3/4 cup of tur dal, then 3/4 cup of moong dal, then around 9 to 10 green chilies. I'll add only green chilies for spiciness. Then around 2 large raw mango, then add around 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, then 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, then add water according to your ingredients. So I am took here 2 glass of water, then close the lid and keep it for 4 to 5 whistles so that it completely cooks well. You can see it cooks really well. So after it is cooked, then mash it well until it is having a pure paste. Then in another small pan add around 4 to 5 tablespoon of oil. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do show your love and support. So okay, you can see I put 5 tablespoon of oil, then add zeera and rye, let them crackle so that they get fried. After they are crackled, add curry leaves and close the lid. So now add this bagar to the dal and close the lid so that all the flavor enhances with the dal, and mix it well, and your dal is ready to serve. Serve with your white plain rice and a ghee, and you taste it really